Forestry at U of T was the first forestry school in Canada, created as a faculty in 1907. In 1989, Forestry moved into the new Earth Sciences building, a shared complex on the southwest corner of the campus, which also houses the School of the Environment and departments of Earth Sciences, Geography, and Ecology and Evolutionary Biology. The interior is home to many laboratories, classrooms, and administrative offices, while the rooftop holds large greenhouses and research planting spaces. The Earth Sciences building integrates two special forest courtyards, the Boreal Forest Courtyard and the Carolinian Forest Courtyard, that provide not only green space for students and faculty, but are the location of student projects and experiments. The hustle and bustle of downtown Toronto falls away as one walks through these serene forested areas. The interior of Earth Sciences is spacious and provides ample natural lighting throughout the corridors. Rising overhead in the central part of the forestry hub is a magnificent three-story hanging light installation resembling a tree, leaves, and stems. Built with thousands of pieces of cherry wood from forestry's original library walls, this sculpture inspires students to reflect on the importance of trees and forests in the aesthetics and practice of everyday life. Here on the second, third, and fourth floors reside the faculty and student offices. All students, including the professional MFC and research stream PhD and MSCF, are provided with their own desk space, sharing offices equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi with their peers. The forestry students also have their own lounge and kitchen space with refrigerator and cupboard space. Many informal student meetings and study sessions take place here, along with weekly tea times with faculty, staff, and visiting researchers. Forestry has two meeting room spaces, both available for student use through open booking on the Forestry website. These meeting rooms are furnished with high-end presentation and projection equipment, perfect for practicing or presenting that thesis project. This first floor area also houses support staff and administration for forestry students and faculty. Down the hall from their offices, students can find their main classrooms and laboratory space. MFC classrooms in the Earth Sciences Center are airy and spacious with mobile desks that are easy to maneuver into lecture style for teaching or rearrangement for group and discussion work. Forestry also provides students with their own computer lab and printer access. Some coursework also takes place here with group projects and exercises. The work that goes on in our research laboratories covers a range of forestry subjects. From the Fire Management Systems Laboratory that studies the impact of fire in boreal forest ecosystems, to research on soil interactions and remediation, forest biology, ecology and silviculture for forest restoration and management, tree biology to quantify carbon flux and sequestration in boreal and urban forests, impacts of harvesting and forest operations on wildlife, climate change impacts and invasive species management, to wood physics and chemistry labs for biomaterial and mass timber applications. There is constant research carried out in our laboratories and workshops. Students have easy access to all our high-tech lab space for their own studies. The Institute for Forestry and Conservation, the Center for Biocomposites and Biomaterials Processing, and the Mass Timber Institute are all located in Earth Sciences, using state-of-the-art technologies to find solutions to our global sustainability challenges. Whether in conservation of forest lands, private and public stewardship, or bio-based commercial applications, our faculty is the go-to research hub in advanced technologies and applications for governmental agencies, conservation NGOs, and private industrial researchers alike. Atop the Earth Sciences Center lies Forestry's designated greenhouse and growth space, providing a research platform for tree and plant material to meet the needs of current students, faculty, and researchers. The greenhouse complex covers over 120 square meters, and students have access to special equipment such as a LiCor LI6400 leaf and whole plant gas exchange system, an Ocean Optics leaf and canopy optical analyzer, a muffle furnace, a pyrolysis system, and a perchloric acid fume hood and drying ovens. Future renovations will include a new wood drying environmental chamber to set international trade guidelines for illegal logging and invasive species restrictions. Our technical research staff is also available to assist with pots and growth supplies, temperature control and watering services, and to provide guidance in planning, teaching projects, and experiments.